keep faith alive.
Yes.
And be happy with the outcome. Who knows what will happen tomorrow? I know we have 3 years to go. Who knows what will happen? So I want you to be patient. Don't say that who can no vote.
Osofubi ashem kom say NPP premise we yakon Kenya Agyapong enwene Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wene, but along the point bibi besi ama Mahmoud Bawumia will not be able to continue, so they will have to go back and choose another flag bearer.
I am looking up to December in 1 year time. By the time the MPP come back from their national congress, they will go back to elect another flag bearer. Mark it today. You are going to do up bottom. Now you have elected a flag bearer who is not fit for purpose. By the time you elect and do your reorganization and realize that the party is strong enough, they will come to one conclusion that they must change the flag bearer.
I will say NPP for so one more abani we are not in say come share the nka so channel so rumors are number one so the fact and come share be a so NPP for one prime some kwaya na nipa wo yi ni say flag bearer ya Dr. Muhammad Bawumia na busia kam ya say ye age hini e wo media so magana for say NPP for nhwe sa ensem no wo ma no attention and yes e betimi aha mo kwa bi so busia we eye abrante bi o TikTok e friend say blogger na e say abra NPP for so abani we no asofo bi e the prophecy aba monte so wo e say Dr. Muhammad Bawumia NPP for eyi no say wo no e na any party no say wo mo hu ne say aka kakra na yakwakoto aba na say 3 years e dey enumi Dr. Muhammad Bawumia bi bia betimi esi e wo kwan mu de ama no ya wontimi ento aso nko enti MPP party no ebesan akwo machi na wo mo akwakofa ono bo kena kompreku Agyapong say wo no e na emamedi party na nim enti na wo chese say wo hwe ya abra wo no abo we yeto aba na wodi ekugo na woni na titafo no kasa no chom say wo mo nkomakoma emfanto mo yem na wo mo 3 more years ahead of them a wo mo nim ne wo mo ana say wo mo nim ne daachi no ewo edemo no na boga chese ya sofo bi nkomhye ya wo maka no na ato ono abo kana kompreku Agyapong trimunti a wole beka asanse de busia sa breko na mu so Mustafa Bandi ya wo ye NDC ni chese NDC for eba beko omo National Congress after say wo mayi flag bearer no awie na wo mo chese so wo mo National Congress no mo kototo mo ne manyina awie and wo begu say candidate wo ko yi no ye Dr. Muhammad Bawumia no adwuma so pot wo mo de eba ba ye no mo so anya ade obetimi aye segment obeka say wo nye fit for purpose enti NPP for be sign abo machi na wo ma sign aba be sesa flag bearer ya wo ko yi I will say and some dey ebi e wo videos no pa e be kwa koti na me say ye ko yi wo be mi subscribe button no so de ma me ya no aka say wo de bro no beka ho say na upload me to the first person ya won say ebidi ka tabusia me entie boga say na wo tre say edifo bidi enkomhye no etu dwa na ye wi a ne Mustafa Bandi so kan ye no ye de ato aso ama
knows what will happen. Do you know why? Osofubi ashem kom say NPP premise we yakon Kenya Agyapong enwene Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wene, but along the point bibi besi ama Mahmoud Bawumia will not be able to continue, so they will have to go back and choose another flag bearer. I'm not going to play that particular video, but I'm telling you, said that might be the reason why I can Agyapong for 3 more years. But who knows what is going to happen? Also, obi enim adia ewo yenim. Obi enim because osofubi ashe sound come no. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia utiati yo.
Mama ne hu hi embetare mi. Mini o ye ni asemo.
Yes. But you winim. Ken said something. Menim says video now boy no, if you were very careful when Ken say we have 3 more years to go. Ya to abanene, but the general election is 2028. From 2026, 2027, 2028 December is 3 years. So we have 3 more years to go. Or see, only God knows what is going to happen from ene to 2028 year beto abano. Nti obi anka na come Antony yam. Monko inside, monko didi. Ewe champagne obi a ho monko to mo ase na munni ni yie. But maybe you did not listen. And I'm going to tell you why Ken chose that kind of words. Mama say more video do that point now. I'll pause it and tell you.
I want to take this opportunity to thank Team Ken for the wonderful work you've done. I mean, we all admit we work hard, but God's time is the best. He knows what is good for us. I know most of you are dejected. You have to keep your spirit up, because once we have life, we have everything. So don't be dejected. And the advice I give is, I have taken it coolly, because in politics, you can win, you can lose. Anytime I speak to you guys and tell you we can win, we can lose, so win. But I'm a veteran politician, so I know. I've gone through several defeats, and therefore I cushioned myself and expected the worst. And the worst has happened. But the worst doesn't mean that is the end of life. So keep faith alive. And be happy with the outcome. Who knows what will happen tomorrow? So I'm pleading with all of you not to do anything. We have to stay calm. We believe in the party. The delegates have spoken. We have to take it. That's the advice I want to give all of us. But with what is in store for us tomorrow. So especially Team Ken, the good work that you've done, I want to show my appreciation. And at an appropriate time, we will meet and dine together.
Yes.
What I want to say again is that do not use this against anybody in the party. Once they have decided, let's all come together as party members and work together.
No way.
You should all relax. I know we have 3 years to go. Who knows what will happen? So I want you to be patient. Don't say that who can no vote. So if it had been kept, if it had been kept, what would other contestants, supporters have said? So no candle vote should be out. Let's come together as one people. And at an appropriate time, you see how things unfold. Don't worry. God will take care of you. God will take care of you. He knows today was going to come. We didn't know. But God that created us knew today would definitely come to pass. We have experienced that in 2023. So today is no different. So I'm begging you, stay calm. There's a lot of food. Go in there, eat. We have champagne, wine, beer. Eat what you can eat. And let's see what tomorrow has for us. Thank you very much.
Can tell him for free, as my boss said, I am looking up to December in 1 year time. By the time the MPP come back from their national congress, they will go back to elect another flag bearer. Correct? Mark it today. I'll tell my boss, sir, when a party goes out of power, naturally it gets disorganized, it gets distressed, there's pain, particularly with the kind of things our appointees were did. When they were stealing money, they forgot the grassroots. To see one more party, did you tell me now? The Abato General Secretary National Organizer so, and woman a man for super woman, but can operate a more for a schedule be few woman. But when all these things happen, you start by reorganizing from the base. Then you take responsibility to say you are sorry for your wrongs. That in Ashanti region, where the General Secretary is coming from, where a lot of ministers were coming from, where it is your stronghold, the political tradition of the MPP in Ashanti region, that today, cocoa sector has collapsed because of your mismanagement. That MPP for 8 years couldn't build a single factory in the Ashanti region. You go there and you apologize to the people and show good behavior. You reorganize from branches, you go to constituency. By the time you get to national, now Nkrofo are rehabilitated. You have gone to do up bottom. Now you have elected a flag bearer who is not fit for purpose. By the time you elect and do your reorganization and realize that the party is strong enough, they will come to one conclusion that they must change the flag bearer.
It's way any and some year air course after say HPP for Aquacotu Waba. Now woman you Dr. Bawumia say or no, and I'm the party no and maybe air dress in the air course in Yano, a camera say a time who be and a Ghana for near so be at the time Dr. Bawumia, woman per se, a small woman to Baba Ghana man penny in tea, and a woman Asha say Edessa and some no and then Dr. Bawumia. Wawashe ye bi ye dia ene wo manani na ho abra wo mo de frank ha no ahye ni nzema busu mesre sa won so bejo adwentre e wo comment section ho e dia ma me all the social media handles no e too much gh or subscribe like no wa share na fofo so de bi ahwe mi din e the dark code macro.